To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link below in description box and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe that I'm going to share with you all is Rawa Idli. Now there are many ways to make idlis, but today I'm going to show you fermented method of making this Rawa Idli. So for this we need 2 cups of idli rava, that is idli semolina. This idli rava is easily available in supermarkets. You cannot replace it with regular rava. Regular rava will not give best result, but you can replace idli rava with idli rice in this recipe. For 2 cups of idli rava, we need 1 cup of urad dal, that is skinned black gram, 1/4 cup flattened rice, that is poha, half teaspoon methi seeds, that is fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, and some oil to grease the idli molds. First, in a large mixing bowl, take 2 cups idli rava. To this, add 4 cups of water. Give a mix. Keep it aside. Next, in another bowl, take urad dal and poha. Wash this thoroughly 2 to 3 times. Then add methi seeds to it. Add plenty of water. Let this idli rava and urad dal soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours of soaking, you will see this rava has settled down at the bottom and there will be layer of water at the top. So carefully take out this excess water. Transfer this rava in a larger vessel. Next we need to grind this urad dal, poha and methi. So take it out in a grinding jar. Add little water to it and grind this into fine paste. Take this urad dal paste and mix it with rava. Mix rava and urad dal mixture very well till it forms a thick batter. This is what the consistency of the batter should look like. If the batter is too thin, then it won't ferment properly, so it should be neither too thick nor too thin. Cover this and keep it aside in warm place to ferment. During hot summer days, it will take 6 to 8 hours to ferment, and during cold winter days, it might take 12 to 15 hours to ferment. After around 8 hours, this batter has raised in volume. Now to this, add salt. Give a mix. This batter is ready to make idlis. To make idlis, grease the idli molds with oil. Fill these molds with the batter. While placing the idli plates on stand, place them in an alternate pattern. That is, the mold should not be placed in one line. So while cooking, the idlis will rise and will prevent them from sticking to the base of the plate which is on top of it. I have some water heating in idli steamer. Then place these plates in it. Cover and let it steam on medium flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the flame and wait for 5 more minutes and then open the lid. Using a spoon, take these idlis out from the mold. You can see how soft and fluffy these idlis have turned out. If you don't have idli molds, you can also use these small steel bowls which are available in every kitchen. Grease them with oil. Fill them 3/4 with the batter. I have a pot with some water at the base. Place a metal stand at the center. On top of it, place a flat sieve, or you can also use a perforated plate. Let this water boil. Then place all these bowls in it. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. Let them cool down a bit before you demold them. Then using a knife or a flat end of a spoon, carefully demold them. If you have extra batter left, then you can store it in refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Serve these idlis hot along with chutney or sambar. They also go well along with any veg or non-veg curry. You can check my videos for chutney and sambar by directly clicking on these images. And if you liked today's video, then give it a like, share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do click on that red subscribe button. I will be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.